Hi everybody, I'm editing right now and I just wanted to say a few things really quickly before the video starts. First of all, if you want to know why I haven't been posting recently, go check the community tab on my channel and I explain it all there. Second, this video was filmed a while ago just because I haven't been able to upload for a bit. I actually have a bunch of vlogs that are pre-filmed like this one. And third, this is a very chatty, chill vlog, so if you like those kind of vlogs, then great, this is the video for you. If not, I totally understand. But yeah, that's everything I needed to say, so enjoy the video. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long, so I need to catch you guys up. I am officially on spring break, which is so exciting. Yesterday, I went to the beach with my friend Brayden. We did a little bit of shopping, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. We only went to Urban Outfitters and I only got 2 things, but this is the first thing. I've been looking for this tote bag for so long, and then I got this purse. So I saw this when we walked in, but I wasn't sure about it. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but the stitching is yellow, which I personally don't really like. That almost stopped me from buying it. We were in there for over an hour just walking around. They had a ton of good stuff. I almost didn't get it, but when we were in line, I ended up running back to get it, and I'm so glad I did because this is so cute. I've been needing just a really tiny purse like this that just goes with everything. I met 3 of you guys at Urban Outfitters, which is crazy because I haven't met any of you in so long just because of COVID and I haven't been traveling that much. But yeah, I was so happy to meet some of you and you were all so sweet. I also got this coin purse recently. It's originally from Grande, but I got it off of Depop. It's really cute. It has little hearts on it and it matches my AirPods. Where are they? I've gotten some questions about my AirPods case before. I'm not sure if that's in focus, but it's not actually a case. These are just little heart stickers that I put on my AirPods, and I feel anytime I have them on my Instagram story or something, people are like, oh my gosh, where's your case from? These stickers are just from Target, so yeah, it matches and it's really cute. And then I made this little pearl strap for it. I made this the same way that I do my phone charms. I have a video on how I make them and links to all the beads and stuff, so if you want to go watch that, go check it out. I think that's everything that I got. Oh wait, I also just wanted to show you guys this really quick. It's a candle and it has my birthday on it. It's from the brand Birthdate Candles. Smells amazing. You should go get one. You can customize it for your birthday or you can get it as a gift or something. My hair is falling out. I need to fix that. I don't think I can pull this hairstyle off, honestly. It always looks really weird on me when I do it, but whatever. I haven't had a chance to clean up my room since I was at the beach yesterday. I need to clean it now because it is so messy. Oh my goodness. This is really bad. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this mess. Okay, I finished picking up my room. I'm gonna go in and clean it fully later and vacuum everything like that. Probably doesn't look like I did much. I'm about to wash my sheets, that's why that's like that. Yeah, it probably still looks messy, but it's way better than before and it'll look better later. Also, I got some new perfume. This stuff smells so good. It's the Ariana Grande Thank You Next perfume. Look how cute the packaging is. This thing is adorable. I just had to show you guys because I'm so excited about it. I'll try to find a link and put it in the description if you want to get it. Also, another thing that's exciting that I got recently is a gym membership. I got one at Planet Fitness because it's cheap, and that's also where my friend goes, so we can go together. So I'm gonna go right now. I'm gonna change into some shorts. By the way, the set that I'm wearing right now is from Princess Polly, just in case you were wondering. Okay, my sheets are in the washer and I'm all changed to go to the gym. I'm just waiting for my friend, so while I wait, I'm gonna pick out some stuff from the Princess Polly website because I'm doing another collab with them, so I need to send her the stuff. I think I already have some stuff picked out, but I'm worried that it's gonna be sold out. Okay, never mind, my friend's ready after all, so I'm gonna go. I'm just wearing a t-shirt and biker shorts. The shirt is from, what's it called? Princess Polly. Shorts are Marshalls or something. I don't know. They're just plain biker shorts. I'm supposed to be getting something in the mail from Gymshark. I don't know when though. It's been over a week now since I ordered the stuff. I'll try to show you guys in a vlog the stuff that I got if it comes in time. I don't know though. Okay, I'm gonna go to the gym. I just got home from the gym and I look really bad, so sorry about that. We also went and got smoothies after. I can't talk because my mouth is numb because this is so cold. Today was leg day and it hurt so bad. It was a really good workout though. I totally forgot to film it, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go fix all this, take a shower, probably get ready. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it has been 2 days since that last clip. Long story short, that workout was so hard. It made me so exhausted for the rest of the day, and I started my period, and the first 2 days are always so rough. So yeah, I promise you guys did not miss literally anything. Okay, I'm about to leave to go to the gym. I don't know if I'll be able to film anything. I will try though. Hi guys, I'm back home from the gym. today's workout was pretty good actually. I was able to film some of it. Now I'm just gonna like clean off my stuff that I took. I always clean everything that I take to the gym because the gym is nasty. Also, this water bottle is so good. It's by the brand Simple Modern. It's from Target. I also have one of their tumblers that I got on Amazon before they sold it at Target. Seriously, such a good brand. I also like how this part right here, the handle is kind of thin, so I can actually like clip my keys onto it so I don't have to like put my stuff on the ground at the gym. I can just take my water bottle and it's all connected. Hi guys, it's the next day. I look very different now because I'm actually ready for once in this vlog. So I just had this like Zoom call for this conference that I'm gonna be doing and it went really well. It was just like to prepare and stuff, but I was super nervous. So yeah, anyways, I got my packages in the mail yesterday, but they came really late. One of them is from Princess Polly. Huge box of stuff. I'm gonna have a whole video on it soon. Here's a little sneak peek. I'm so excited. Like all of my clothes are Princess Polly at this point. And then the Gymshark package came, so I saved it to open on camera so that I could show you guys. Since I'm like dressed and ready, I think I might try to film something else. I really want to do a video on my iPad and like what's on it, how I use it for school and stuff like that. So I might try to film some of that today. I don't know though. It's also a rest day today, so I don't have to go to the gym, which is nice because I could really use a break. This is my very first Gymshark purchase, so I'm very excited. Okay, let's see. Also, this isn't sponsored in any way. I wish it was. Gymshark, if you are watching this, sponsor me, please. I bought these things because there was a sale, so. Okay, I just got this green tank top. I really like the color, and then the back is like mesh. I feel like this would just be good to wear on a day where it's like really hot because this just looks like it would be really like breathable. I got these shorts. Oh, these are cute. Okay, so this is what they look like. These are just like looser shorts because I've been wearing biker shorts a lot recently to the gym, and I kind of wanted to just get some like loose comfy ones. And then I got the famous gray biker shorts. At least these are like famous in my head. I don't know if other people see them the same way, but I feel like these are one of their like very popular things that everyone tries to find like dupes for on Amazon and stuff. Okay, here's the top. I really like it. Here's what the sides look like, and then the back is just mesh. It's really cropped, so I'm gonna have to wear like high-waisted stuff with it, but that's fine. And then these are the shorts. These are cute. They're just very like poofy, I feel like. I don't know. I do like them though. Okay, now these are the other shorts. These are so cute, you guys. I'm obsessed with them. Okay, go buy them. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm probably just gonna be filming today, and then it's also my best friend's day off, so I think we're gonna hang out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed up until this point, comment down below your most recent emoji. I love you guys. I'll see you next Wednesday with another new video. Bye guys.